Afoot and lighthearted, I take to the open road. Healthy, free, the world before me, the long brown path before me leading wherever I choose. Henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Strong and content I travel the open road.
Sorry for the rip-off of the Volvo commercial, but it did seem to apply. The purpose of this video is to test the GoPro microphone mounting in the lower left fairing of my KLR650. Let's take a ride and see how it performs.
The sand is blowing big time. Blinding.
That big dog really rocks. I love this guy.
Well, this big dog guy, he knows all the roads. He rides strictly in the dirt, kicking up the dust as he rides. He doesn't give a damn about some.
Let's take the Branch Londonderry Turnpike. Let's see how this thing performs on dirt and gravel.
Big dog rides along. Way on down south, desert town.
You never know what's under that dirty, mucky water. Did I ever tell anybody I really hate mud holes? There's some log timbers piled up ahead on the left. The power company uses them to make road beds for their maintenance crews. Got to check out my videos, the Powerline Rides Parts 1 and 2. They're on YouTube videos under Larry 3138. We're taking Gorham Pond Road here. Hope you liked my short video of the microphone mounting position on the KLR650. Hopefully this will work out in future videos and I'll be able to add a little voiceover in the future videos I create. Thanks for watching and ride safe. This video was created in the House of Powers by Skull Productions, March 31, 2017.